Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit. Cause bitch, I'm the shit. Oh, my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out. They must have forgot I was a crip.
Go get the crows. Go.
You just knocked on your door.
Yes, it is. It's in there. It's fine. Okay, fine. I'll take it out. Let's take it out, okay? Go throw the fit.
This is what he was freaking out over in the box. In one of the scenes, you can see this around his head, the yellow ring. But just so everyone knows, he's okay. He's just hormonal right now. I did not expect him to freak out so bad. He got mad at us for taking this out of the box, so we put it back in to make him happy, and apparently we just did.
I love you. No, I got two. I got two. Really? No, I got two. Hey, that's dirty. More. I got two. No, I got two. Really? No, I got two. David, I got two. Seriously? I know I won.
You want to play maracas?
He was excited seeing outside until he saw a big bird flying.
Mango. Baby, she's gone. She's gone.
Almost.
Good boy.
You know what?
You gotta stop moving. Be good. Ooh. Ooh. Oops. Yeah, good bird. Good bird. Yeah.
Okay, just a few more, okay? Good baby bird. Just a little tip.
He has to be a part of everything.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Ready, ready, ready? 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Peekaboo. Look at all of those. Your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
What's happening here? Okay, you wanna come? Come on. Let's go.
Don't you talk to me like that. Come on.
In the jungle, the quiet jungle, alive with the light.
Hey, hey.
Oh.
Remember how I was trying to teach Mango to test the water before taking a bath? Well, this is how it's going so far.
Stella, do you need help? Hey, I thought we agreed not to do this. Stella. Yeah, you're a good girl.
I'm coming. I'm coming, man. Hold on. I just started trusting you, man. Give me a second. Okay, I'm on it. Making sure your fingers ain't tapping. Hold up. I'm checking my weight. Everything good. Flotation device seems to be in order. Okay, here we go. Foot back on. I am ready to engage. This is not a drill. I am on it. I'm on. I'm on. I'm off. I'm off. I'm off. Okay. All right, you going down. All right, that's good. All right, let me test my weight. Okay, it's holding me up. All right, this is good. This is good. You said we're going to get out. Hell no, man. What you mean we going to get out? You been doing all this to get me on? No. No. Yes. 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 No. Maybe. Should I? Nah, man. I'm strong like an eagle, man. I'm strong like an eagle, man. Here we go. Float me. But make sure you stay close to the edge, man. I want to see the edge. Just make sure I can see the edge, man.
Green, bili mo ako. Oh. Ah, bili mo akong snowbird. Hala, hinulog mo. Oh. Sabi ka, bili mo ako eh. Oh. Nag-away pa.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
She's saying لا 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 خلاص. Understand. لا. لا.
What are you doing?
Back up.
Don't do it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna...